but you broke your elbow.
Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to 3D print on a Realz Taz or any other printer. So the first step you should do is download the software for your printer and then revert to the printer's manual because all printers are different. You should make your design on whatever software you want. I personally recommend Onshape, as it's a free and very useful site. You can do things like 3D print, you can model your models, and you can do much more. And it is online and in the cloud. Now, this is how you export. Right click, you hit export. The file name, you'll want to rename it. Then make sure the format is in STL. Make sure the STL format is binary. Of course, you'll want it in inches, and then your resolution fine. So, the next thing you'll want to do is hit OK. Now you'll notice that this is down here. You click it. Opens Cura. Oh wow. Next thing you want to do is find the filament that your printer uses. The next thing you'll want to do is hit Load Model. So you select Downloads, and then you select your STL file. The next part is to insert the SD card into the SD card slot. And then you will hit Save G-Code into Custom File Destination. Then the next thing you do is click on the Computer tab. Then go to SD card. And then you hit Save. Now, we're going to insert the SD card into the printer. For the process of time, I have already done this. The next thing you'll want to do is hit On. And then you will scroll this piece to find what file you're going to end up using. Then it should start working in about 3 minutes. Thanks guys, join us next time on How To Senior Guacamole Productions.
So